In this video, I'm going to be answering your question on, can I pay my Fairmoney loan before the due date? Of course, yes, you can pay your Fairmoney loan before the due date. So now let's say, for example, you borrow money like 20,000 naira for 6 months, and you are able to get the money back in 2 months. So how would you go about it? So just log into your Fairmoney app, and on this, if you slide into the left side, you see no active loan. You'll be able to see your own active loan right there. So if you already borrow money from the platform, then you can say repay right here. So if you click on repay, they're gonna deduct the money from the card you connected to borrow money from Fairmoney. Because I didn't have any active loan on this app, that is why this repay, top up, extend loan are not popping up, so I cannot click them actually. But then if I actually have an active loan and I want to pay back, this repay option will pop up and I will be able to click on repay. So once you click on repay, then it will take you to a page where it asks you to select where you want them to deduct the money, either from the debit card that you use to borrow money from the plan, because that's exactly what they're going to tell you. You have to put money inside your debit card that they send money to when you borrow money. So that is where they're going to charge. So once they charge that, you'll be able to pay back your money or your loan you actually take from them within a short period of time, as long as you already have it and you are interested in paying it back to them.